Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing my I am Lucknow interview experience, and it's been just about over a month since it happened, so it's pretty fresh in my memory. So let's get right into it. So my location for my interview is the IIM Lucknow campus itself. They have two campuses, one in Lucknow and another in Noida for their sustainable management course. So I went to the Lucknow campus to give the interview. Usually, when you have your interview in another city, it is recommended that you like reach a day before and get settled in, uh, check your things, and then the next day reach at the campus or your location, wherever that is. So that's exactly what I did. There are two parts to the interview process. First is the VAT, and then you have your PI. So my VAT topic, since the Trump's trade war, the tariffs, they were all in the news. It was very relevant. It was about the impact of this on the global economy. Are tariffs good or not for trade? And that was basically the premise of the VAT, and we had to like write our thoughts on that. So since it was all about the recent happenings, I had a fair idea on what I was gonna write, and I also had a lot of references about like similar tariffs that had been applied in the past in the US economy, like during the Great Depression and all, and such little examples and things I had read about, particularly from YouTube. And I basically had a lot of references. So it was a good topic and like easy to write on. So we had 15 minutes to share our views on this. Then going to the PI round, there were two panelists, both were male professors. Firstly, they asked me to introduce myself, and then like I shared my work ex. So they like asked me about my projects, about working with like different managers, about being a woman in the corporate world, and do I think like some reform is needed, or like any discrimination that I had faced. And we had like a brief discussion on those things too. So that was like a simple introduction. Then they asked me why MBA. Like since I already have a good job and I have work experience, so why not like I climb the corporate ladder, like go that way instead of doing the MBA. So like whenever asked such questions, you have to be prepared, especially if you have work ex. You have to have an answer of why not this, like why that, or something like that. It can be as simple as I want to change my sector completely, or my career path. Or it can be your personal choice, or it can be like just I want a quick jump and I don't want to go like the slow way, or like whatever is your answer, but just be prepared. Like you cannot be blank at the time, or just be like, so this is the trend, or like this is what my peers are doing. Like that is not the right approach. Then this was another like some discussion we had on this topic. After that, they asked me to explain artificial intelligence like I'm explaining to a 5-year old. So in like super simple terms, super basic examples. And like every word that I was saying, like if I mention, let's say, neural networks, or if I said something like deep learning or supervised learning or whatever I was saying, so they would just like stop me and ask me to explain this particular term in detail next. So so basically each and every word that comes out of your mouth, you have to be ready to explain that. It can't be just that you're speaking some things and then flow you're speaking whatever word you had heard somewhere or something like that. So you have to be well aware of each and every word coming out of your mouth. They also asked me if AI was gonna come after all our jobs, and what are my views on the layoffs, and such uh, topics. Also, they asked me. Then yeah, this was like something which did not happen with me in any other interviews. So we have to take our mark sheets with us, right? Like our 10th, our 12th, and our UG mark sheets. So they have like each semester mark sheet. So one of the professor, he just like picked up a random semester, like let's say semester 4 mark sheet of mine, and then he was like, okay, you have studied basics of finance. Like there was some course like that, I don't know. So and then he started asking me, okay, what did you learn in this, what is microeconomics, or like something other, some other finance term he asked me, and I did not know. So such things would also happen, like you can't know each and everything from your UG uh, courses, because like I was prepared. So like I had prepared 5 6 subjects properly, thoroughly, and I was also aware kind of briefly of the others, but this one, like this particular one, I had missed, or like I did not know properly. So just like have a fair idea of like try to get into a like a just a brief summary maybe of each subject in your UG. Doesn't matter if there are like 50 plus subjects, but like just try to do that. So that is one thing you can maybe learn. Then yeah, this was my interview. This was like a long interview, so that this had like lasted 20 to 25 minutes, even more. And another like little takeaway which I had from this interview was that so like they'll speak to you in Hindi also. They'll speak very casually also. They'll speak friendly only, but you don't have to break character. Okay, so you have to remember that you're in an interview. This is not your friend's house. You're not talking to your friends. You have to be formal. Don't use Hindi uh, unless like specifically asked to answer in Hindi. Try to use formal language. Don't be informal just because you think, oh, they're they seem like chill interviewers, or they're like friendly. Okay, okay, this interview matters to you, so you have to be the responsible one. Because like with like one of the other people who was going to the interview before me, so like she kind of faced this, like she started answering them in Hindi sometimes, and then like they like this happened to like a different panel, like not my panel, but and then like they uh told her that you should speak like you're in an interview, and then she got very flabbergasted of sorts, but like then she picked up, she said sorry, and then she started answering properly. So like just a little thing, but it's very easy to kind of match the energy of the interviewer and maybe forget that, but you shouldn't. So yeah, that was my I am Lucknow interview experience. And now time for the verdict. I converted their PGP MBA program, which is the flagship program they offer. And they basically offer like these three programs. They have PGP, they have PGP ABM, which is the Agribusiness Management MBA. They also have an SM, Sustainable Management MBA. So that was my I'm Lucknow interview experience. I'll be queuing to some of the videos and pictures like every time. And thanks for watching.